In the dead of night, when shadows dance and darkness reigns, a figure emerges, striking fear into the hearts of even the most fearless heartless. They call it the Rolling Calf, a moniker born from the eerie, unsettling feeling that accompanies its presence. Demon, the vengeful spirit, roams the streets, its eyes glowing like embers from a long-forgot fire. With each step, the ground trembles, as if the very foundations of the earth are being shaken. The wind whispers an unsettling melody, a haunting harmony that sends shivers down the spines of even the most hardened souls. The Rolling Calf's presence is a harbinger of doom, a warning that justice is coming, and no one is beyond its reach. Those who have crossed paths with demons speak of an unshakable feeling of dread, a sense of being consumed by an unrelenting darkness. They whisper tales of a figure shrouded in mystery, its face hidden behind a veil of shadows, its eyes burning with an otherworldly intensity. The Rolling Calf is the embodiment of fear, a manifestation of the darkness that lurks within every heart. It is the reminder that no one is above the law, and that justice will always be served. Those who have wronged others tremble at the mention of its name, knowing that Demon is always watching, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. To some, the Rolling Calf is merely a myth, a tale spun to keep the wicked in check. Yet, in the heart of every tale, there lies a seed of truth. Demon, the relentless force of retribution, is as real as the shadows that creep at the edges of the night. Stories told by those who barely escaped with their sanity speak of its bone-chilling laughter echoing through dark alleyways and desolate streets. An elderly woman claims to have seen its silhouette blending with the darkness, a hulking figure that seemed to absorb the very light around it. A group of drunken youths, once merry in their revelry, were left hollow-eyed and trembling after an encounter that shook them to their core. They rambled incoherently about a face distorted by wrath and a presence that felt like the weight of 1,000 sins. The Rolling Calf doesn't discriminate. It judges the deserving with an impartial gaze. Cheaters, liars, thieves, and betrayers, none can escape its verdict. Each creak of an old wooden floor, each rustle of leaves on a silent night, drives the guilty into a paranoia-laden stupor. For they know, deep within, that their judgment day may come in the form of this spectral vigilante known as Demon. Children, wide-eyed with a blend of fear and excitement, gather around fires to hear the tales. Parents speak of the Rolling Calf to ensure obedience, though the tremor in their voices betrays a hidden belief that somewhere, lurking just out of sight, is the avenging shadow. The legend of the Rolling Calf isn't just a ghost story. It is a promise that in a world filled with darkness, there exists a force, an inexorable agent of justice, ensuring that the scales balance, one haunting step at a time.
Demon.